So if you have a paper and pencil, write it down or take a snap of this. A plus b squared. Okay, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. All right, a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Don't forget the 2ab part. Okay, and then a minus b squared is going to be the exact same thing here. I know you've all done this before. You might have forgotten it. Only the minus is just here in front of the 2ab. Okay, so these are two important formulas. Let's try to solve this problem here. How can we expand 2x plus, actually let's make it plus y squared. So what do you think is the answer going to be? So you can type it over to me. Think about it. Maybe I'll give you choices here. A, B, C, D. 2x squared plus 4xy plus y squared, 4x squared plus 4xy. Yeah, think about it. Think about what the answer should be. Yeah. Yeah, so type over. Let's see who can get this. Got about maybe, so remember here, this guy squared is a squared, then this guy squared is b squared, and then of course it's a plus sign, so you should actually be using this formula. So this squared plus this squared, and don't forget 2 times this times this. Okay, and those who are thinking this problem is easy, try to solve. Yeah, let's hold up on this. Those who think this is easy, you can try this one. And then try to tell me what's the answer to this. This is the easy one. This is the slightly complicated one. Okay. All right, I got one answer. All right, so I've got one answer. Anybody else? This one is on the no calculator section. So you don't need a calculator for this. Great, nicely done, Michael. So that's it. Perfect. So you can see that this guy is, when you square it, is going to be this squared. So 2x squared, and then this guy squared, which is y squared, and then 2 times 2x, right? So this can be written as 2x squared is 4x squared, and then plus y squared, and then 2 times 2x is going to be 4x, right? So that's how the answers come out, 4x, y actually. Okay. So that's why this is the correct answer. Nicely done to those of you who replied. Now let's try this one. X squared, let's think about this formula as well. A squared minus b squared. This is yet another important formula. A minus b, the shortcut is a minus b, a plus b, okay? So let's try to factor 4, maybe 16x squared minus 9. Remember, this can be written as a squared. So you can write this as 4x squared, and 9 you can write it as 3 squared. You put a minus sign here. Okay, so you've got this minus this, this plus this. Okay, so what do you think it's going to be? It's going to be 4x minus 3 and 4x plus 3. Okay, so that's how you can break this down. Let's see if we can try another problem here. Let's see, 16y to the 4 minus z to the 6. Sorry, z to the z squared. So if you can type over the answer to me here, how can you expand this? Okay, this is a squared minus b squared. So how would you do that? Okay, I'm waiting here. Okay, what do you think? Yes, that's right. So that's exactly right. So you're gonna take this, perfect, well done, very nice. So remember, be careful of the signs. One of them is negative and one of them is positive, but most of you got it. So it's gonna be 4y squared minus z, 4y squared plus z, okay? So that's how it looks like, okay? That's important. So remember, the formulas are a plus b squared, a minus b squared, and then the third one is a squared minus b squared. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next piece here.